welcome. We got a 10-minute AMRAP chain. I know all these different words, terminologies. So basically we're gonna be trying to do as many rounds as possible of this flow of exercises that we're gonna chain up like we've done another time. So this is gonna be similar to that, and we're gonna vary it up a little bit. Some of the movements we're gonna chain are gonna be different, just to keep it fresh. So I'll just jump in and show you all the movements as we do them and kind of break it down a little more slowly the first time through, and then we'll go through it more quickly as we start to add repetitions on the different chain movements. But before we get started, our phrase, this is the 10th workout I'm filming for you guys for the challenge. And I did these in 2 days, so it's been 10 workouts in 2 days that I've filmed, so I'm a little bit loopy now. I'm tired, but I'm feeling good, and I'm having so much fun. And the mantra is one I'm borrowing from my friend Tori Dubé, who's amazing. You should follow her if you aren't already. And it is that this is the fun stuff, like this. We have this life to live. We're so blessed, you guys, so much. So just the fact that we have the ability to work out, that I have these clothes, these shoes, the weights, the mat, that we have the resources to buy that, have access to those things, to have freedom, safety, liberty, all those things. I mean, just that foundation. And then that we get to do this together and have fun. I joke around that the CTF, commit to fit, can also be commit to fun, that we need to commit for at least 10 minutes every day to have fun. For me, working out is fun. I know it's a stretch for some people, but for others, maybe it's fun for you too to work out. But if you aren't having fun with the workouts, I encourage you, commit to fun and get at least 10 minutes every day of fun as well. All right, you guys, let's do this. My last 10 minutes working out together with you, or filming for you. So let's do it together. I got my heavy weights. We're gonna start with a burpee. We're gonna jump back. So bring those weights with you. You're gonna jump back. You're gonna do plank jacks. Oh, just remember, I need to move my mat a little bit. Just a second, so I have more space from the wall. All right, so you're gonna jump back into plank. You're gonna do one plank jack. That one we're gonna go up on. We're gonna do one push-up each time. We're not gonna add on that one. We're gonna jump or step forward, jump or stand up, and then we're gonna go into bent over rows that will chain up, stand, and here's where we're gonna do something a little different. We're gonna do curtsies. So you're gonna curtsy forward, back together, and curtsy the other side, back together. Okay, start back at the top. So we're gonna just put the weights down, jump back. We go 2 plank jacks this time, 1 push-up each time, jump forward, jump up, 2 bent over rows, and 2 curtsies, both sides. So you're gonna curtsy forward, 2 times one leg, and then 2 times on the other leg. I've got heavy weights, so if you can go faster than me, go for it. More power to you. We're gonna 3 plank jacks, 1 push-up. You can go down the knees on those if you need to. Jump in, jump up or stand up. 3 bent over rows. And we're gonna do 3 curtsies each side. So instead of curtsying behind, we're curtsying forward at a 45-degree angle. I'll show you from the front. Angle, step back. So again, just make sure you're bending through both knees. I'm really focusing on the toes are in the same direction as those knees. Okay, go into 4 reps. 4 jacks, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 push up, jump in, jump up, 4 bent over rows. 4 curtsies, each side. Make sure you take a big enough step that the knee doesn't go over the toes. 1, 2, control the weights by your side. 3, and 4, going to 5. And then we'll go back to 1. If you're already there, just go back to 1. Whew. Knees can come down on those push-ups. And you can step forward and stand. Make sure the knees are bent as you roll up, and then come over, bend over, rows for 5. All right, 5 curtsies each side. Those heavy weights definitely get my heart rate up faster. Okay, other side. Okay, back to 1 rep of those chain movements. Jump back, 1 plank, 1 push-up, jump in, jump up, 1 row, 1 curtsy, each side. Oh, I need some water. Go to 2 of those when you're ready. A little less than 6 minutes to go. So we're trying to get up to 5 on those chain movements as many times as we can in 10 minutes. I'm on 2 reps. Maybe you're ahead of me. That's awesome. Oops, I almost forgot those curtsies. All right, come down for 3. And you can step these out if you need to on those plank jacks. So changing from just straightforward curtsies to straightforward lunges to the curtsies like this focuses on hitting the stabilizing muscles. The outside of the hip, the inner thigh, and the outside of the glute. If they're too much for you though, you can just go into straightforward lunges, back and forth. And if lunges are too much for you, on your knees or balance, you can do squats. Squats are always a great default for lunges. We're going on to 5s. So plant those weights down, jump out, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1 push-up. About 3.5 minutes, you guys. You can do it. 5 lunges each side. Or if you're doing squats, you're gonna double it and do 10 total. 1 more this side. We'll be finishing up our 2nd round of this chain. All right, we need to grab another quick sip of water. You do the same whenever you need to, and then jump right back in. The happier you go on those weights, the more bang for your buck you're gonna get with this flow. On to 2 reps. Big squeeze on those rows. Curtsies, 2 each side. Coming up on 2 minutes. Hang in there. Moving on to 3 reps for me. Half Have fun with it. Don't forget to smile. You can do it. 3 curtsies. There's some in the ambulance for me. Not really, but it's always a joke with the Magic Makers movement ladies. There's always a siren when I do my videos. Whether it's when I film, or Facebook Live, or a group coaching call, or a one-on-one coaching call, there's always a siren. We live close to a hospital and right by a fire station in the city. There's always nonsense going on. I don't know if anyone else does this, but my mom always would, if she saw a siren or ambulance go by, she would take just a moment of silence or prayer, and then just put them in her thoughts. I always thought that was a really nice gesture. Okay, guys, enough talking, get down to business. 30 seconds. I'm on 5, hoping to finish this one out before the clock goes off. Switching legs, I think I can do it, or just barely. Yes, just barely. Whew. All right, guys, hope you had fun. Remembering that life, what we're choosing, we have the opportunity to make this the fun stuff. We just have to remember sometimes we get caught up in those negative patterns, but switch it. Use this pattern that you're doing to create new grooves with your exercise to do the same thing with your mind. It's all connected. I'm so proud of you. Congratulations, finishing this one. And I will see you again soon. Ciao.